I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Accuracy is non-negotiable. At PD Tech, we ensure your records are IRD ready and perfectly reconciled.
Xero's automated invoice reminders can help take the stress out of chasing late payments. Plus, it's super easy to set up. Let me show you. Xero keeps a list of all unpaid invoices and watches your bank deposits for matching payments. When an invoice is due or overdue, the automated invoice reminder will send your customer a gentle nudge. Why not let Xero do the work for you? To set this up, simply head to the Invoices screen and click Invoice Reminders to turn them on. Then select the checkbox. You can choose when to send reminders out. You can also customize your message in your brand voice for a personal touch. Add up to 5 payment reminders at once, but just be sure to space these out so you're not bombarding your customers. And hit save after making any changes. Now, what if you don't want to send reminders to all of your customers? No problem. It's completely customizable. Just turn them off. And that's it. You've just made it easier to follow up late pays. For more payments tips and tricks, check out the Xero Cashflow Hub today.